Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll tell you what is the exact difference between an Indian MBA or a foreign MBA. So let's get straight into the video. So what is an MBA? So MBA is actually the best business degree you can ever get. It's one of the most highest paid degrees. It is actually the highest paid degrees amongst all of the degrees. You can be paid even higher than doctors or engineers if you get an MBA. So that is what the importance of MBA is. It teaches you different leadership skills, personality development skills. It gives you all the business acumen you need. It also teaches you all the important skills like marketing, finance, HR and many more other business functions. So now let's talk about the exact difference between an Indian MBA and a foreign MBA. So the first major difference is if you talk about Indian MBAs, if you talk about the IIMs of the world, IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta and many more colleges, most of these colleges don't even give you an MBA degree. What they give you is a postgraduate diploma in management. So that is completely different from what a traditional MBA is, which is offered in other countries like USA, UK or any other countries. Some colleges in India like ISB for example give you a direct MBA as well. There are many colleges like Great Lakes also which provide you with an MBA degree, but most of them which are very famous like the IIMs do provide you with a PGDM degree. Now let's talk about the global exposure and outlook of the programs. If you do any degree in Indian college, for example the top IIMs again, you do get an option to go abroad for an exchange program, but that does not actually give you a direct exposure to foreign countries. If you want a holistic exposure, a foreign MBA is the way to go. These institutes in USA or UK do not provide you just a direct exposure to the foreign economy, but they also send you to other countries like France for example, Germany and many more to give you exposure of their economies as well. So let's talk about cost now. So when it comes to Indian MBA, it is generally of 2 years, which costs you around 25 to 30 lakhs, and that's the entire fee for your program. But if you consider an MBA program in foreign countries, they might cost you 25 to 30 lakhs per year. And if it is a 1-year program, your program might be done in 30 lakhs, which is the bare minimum. There's no MBA program which is comparatively cheaper. And if there is, it's not of that high quality. Now talking about the work experience. So in India, there are different kinds of entry exams you have to give, like the CAT, which is the most predominant exam for MBA, which gets you into colleges like IIMs and many more important colleges like SP Jain and many others. This exam, which is the CAT exam, does not really require you to have any work experience, but a 1 to 2 years of work experience is a good enough score to get you into the college to pass you as a good candidate. But in foreign MBA programs like in US or UK, you have to have at least 3 to 4 years of work experience in order to get selected. Most of these colleges say that a 2-year work experience is a good way to go, but that is not the criteria you should be fulfilling, because getting into the colleges with the bare minimum requirements is not something you can go through. So if you also look at the average batch size, in India, the average batch size of any MBA is around 25 to 26 years old, while in the foreign MBAs it's around 28 to 29 years. So this clearly shows you the kind of work experience these colleges ask for. Now let's talk about the MBA placements. So in India, since the fee is 25 to 30 lakhs, you can expect to get the exact ROI back to yourself. You will be able to get a salary of 12 lakhs to 25 lakhs based on the kind of college you get into. If you get into the top IIMs like IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore or Calcutta, you can expect to get a salary upwards of 25 lakhs if you are in the top 50% of your batch. Now when it comes to the foreign MBAs, the ROI again is the same. If you get into the top programs, which is Harvard, Stanford, London Business School, London School of Economics and many more, these programs will give you exact 1.5 to 2x ROI. And last but not the least guys, talking about the placements. So the best thing about Indian MBA colleges is that different companies, the top companies like McKinsey, Bain and many more, JP Morgan Chase, Morgan Stanley, all of these come on campus to give jobs to the candidates. But this is not the case when it's abroad. So if you are in US or UK again, or even in Canada, once you complete your degree, you have to make use of your personal network, you have to socialize with people, you have to go into different kinds of events in order to make connections and land a job for yourself. You have a credibility of being from a top college of course, but you have to use that in order to land a job for yourself. No company comes on campus in USA. There are a lot of colleges which do offer that option as well. Do your own research if you want to get that option. But majorly, in Indian MBA colleges, you get companies who come on campus for placements. But abroad, that is not the case. You have to find a job for yourself. So I hope this video has cleared all of your doubts regarding MBA. If you have any other doubts, you can let us know in the comment section given below. Or you can have a one-on-one session with any of our advisors here at Grad Dreams, and we'll be very happy to help you out in your study abroad journey. If you like this video and find this valuable, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video with someone you think might find it helpful, and also subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss out on such content. Thank you so much for watching the video guys. We'll see you in the next one.